Yes, dear viewers, again I welcome you to a very special learning. Today I will be making you to understand how we make research, how we do citations and references. Yeah, we are today on citations and referencing. This is one of the basic concepts in the field of academia because it is the one that enable us to avoid what we call plagiarisms and to credit every author that has produced their journals. So I will be taking you through the web browser to really understand and employ and explore this thing into details. Let's go to our Google Chrome. This is where we are going to get all this information and you will fully understand and integrate it well. Uh, In our learning, citation is a reference to the published source that we normally use to gather information from our work. Like for instance, when you are searching the causes of poverty in Africa, sources of poverty in Africa, yeah, I was saying we shall be tackling the basis of citations. Having told you the relevant why we are supposed to cite work, we have now different format of citing work. We have what we call the MLA, then the Chicago style, then APA, that is American Psychological Association, as one of the style for citing work. Uh, when citing, we have to 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 identify the key concepts and key points about citation. Here, I'll basically be taking you through the format, how we cite, before I take you to what we call how we reference this thing, but I'll first have to give you the format. When citing, we usually present in parentheses within the text and with specific details, depending on the citation style used. Basically, in APA format, the component of citation normally includes we use the author's last name, then the publication years, and sometimes we can use the page number. But for this case, we use when we are using either theoretical or parenthetical aspect. Yes, I'll be taking you how we cite different authors. If one author, how do we approach it? If there are two, how do we approach it? And if there are three, we normally have to realize that when we are using the first author, we write the last name of the author, then the year of publicity. If second, we use the first and second, then if it is the same year then we apply it to the other side. But if three and above, we write the first, then we write et al, then the year of publicity. So please, as you go in the real field of citation and doing your work, uh use use first, second, third, and different authors. Then for organization, I challenge you that you can go and have a more detail. This one of mine is detailed but just brief, but you can go and have the best. I wish you now as you come and I lead you through referencing